Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today we're doing something that's kind of fun, kind of different, kind of gimmicky, somewhere in between all that. It's chicken lollipops. Stick around. Now, chicken lollipops are just drumsticks, right? They're just made to look fancy, and we're going to show you how to do that step by step. But first, let's fire up the pit. We're just going to use some lump charcoal. Don't need a whole lot. That'll do it. One chunk of oak. A couple tumbleweeds. Here's some things you're going to need. Very sharp knife. I recommend a boning knife. Dry rub of your choice. I'm rolling with this red dust from Charcoal Cowboys Barbecue. Cooking spray. And some drumsticks. I recommend Tyson, Arkansas company. Again, gotta have a sharp knife. Okay, so just a regular drumstick, right? So let's cut right there, all around down to the bone. Just like that. We need to remove that top piece of skin. Kind of fold it over the bone. Make sure you wear gloves when you do this. And there's a tendon that's right under there. It's kind of hard to detach from the bone. This may take a little bit of work, but you're up for it. I know you are. You can do it. You can use that extra skin and just push down right there to form the lollipop if you want to. See, there's that tendon I was talking about right there. Slice that off. Clean it up around the edges. And I like to clean this extra skin and fat off the bone. Messy operation. All right, like I said, you'll have the bone exposed, and you want to try to get that skin to cover the meat the best you can. And some people will round this stuff off and, for competition. I'm not going to do that today. There's one and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to go. All right, now that we have a nice pile of some lollipop chicken, let's go ahead and hit it with our cooking spray. This will just add some crispiness to the skin. You don't have to go crazy with it. It's a good shot on each one. Next, we're going to come in with our Charcoal Cowboys Barbecue Red Dust. And again, you can use whatever seasoning you like. And go ahead and use that rub that got away. It's on the board. Don't want to waste much. All right, we're just waiting on the old Blaze Kamado to get up to temp. We want to cook these at about 300. These are ready to go on the smoker. We are sitting at about 300 degrees. It can be a little tricky to stand these up. They do make some stands just for this purpose. I just don't have one. If it falls over, it's not that big of a deal, but do your best to try to make it stand up. Goodness, come on. Work with me here. So it really does help to have one of those stands. Probably a good idea to invest in one of those, but we made it work. We'll be back in a little while. All right, guys, so the chicken lollipops have been going for about 45 minutes, maybe 50, somewhere in there. So now it's time to get our sauce ready. We're just gonna keep it real simple. We have this little pot here, and we're gonna put some redneck lipstick in there and basically just heat it up on the smokers. It's gonna absorb a lot of that smoky flavor. And don't be shy here, because we gotta dunk that chicken into that sauce. It takes quite a bit. So let's go put this on the smoker. All right, those are looking good. I'm just gonna put this right over here. And we'll just let that sauce get nice and heated up. And that's probably gonna take about 30 minutes. Okay, so that sauce is nice and steamy. We just have a regular old coffee cup here. We're gonna pour that sauce into that and dunk this chicken. We'll be right back. Man, this smells good and smoky. Let's dunk one of these bad boys. Man, if that doesn't look awesome, I don't know what does. It smells delicious, that barbecue sauce. Man. Don't be shy. So we got these all dunked in the sauce. We're gonna go ahead and put them back on the blaze Kamado so that sauce kind of sets and firms up. Then we're gonna dig in. There we go, got them back on the smoker. Let's let them sit for a little bit and then we're gonna come right back. All right, folks, I can't wait to dig into this. Smells phenomenal, has that smoky flavor, and you can smell the barbecue sauce. Let's just dig into one. All right, let's dig into this guy. My goodness, that is perfect. Juicy and tender, it's perfect, man. You gotta do this. I think this is like $6. And hey, don't forget, if you like what we're doing here at Casks-n-Que, go ahead and do me a solid. Like, subscribe, and smash that bell. When you smash that bell, it's gonna let you know that I've uploaded new content. And who would wanna miss that? Hey, thanks for sticking around. I'm Justin with Casks-n-Que. We'll catch you next time.